Good morning, everyone. This is Anjali Yadav, TGT English from Kendriya Vidyalaya Nagrota. Today we are going to start with our new poem, The Rebel. This is in 7th class NCERT book. Okay, so do you know who is a rebel? I will give you a clue. Ram rebels every time after his mother gives him work. What do you understand by the sentence? That Ram does not obey his mother, or Ram does not listen to his mother. A rebel is a person who generally disobeys the instructions given to him. Who is a rebel? A rebel is a person who generally disobeys the instructions that are provided to him. He will not listen to you. You can provide him many instructions, but he is not going to listen to you at all. Have you encountered any person like this? You must have seen your friends, those who just want an ice cream, or they just shout for some of their favorite toys that they want. Is that so? Have you seen any of your friends doing the same? Okay. Let us start with the poem, The Rebel. When everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. The poet says, when everybody in the world will have short hairs, when everybody will chop the hairs, then what will the rebel do? The rebel will let his hair grow. The rebel will not cut the hairs. He will do opposite of what people are doing. He will not follow the common people. He will not follow the instructions given to you. When everybody has long hair, the rebel cuts his hair short. The poet is saying that when everybody has long hairs, then the rebel cuts his hair short. So he will do opposite of what other people are doing. When other people will have short hairs, then rebel will have long hairs. But when other people will have long hairs, the rebel will have short hairs. He'll do exactly the opposite of what other people are doing. Okay. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. This means when everybody is talking at the time of teaching, while the teacher is teaching the lesson and everybody is talking, the rebel will not say a word. The rebel will not utter even a single word. He will not say anything. But when nobody talks during the lesson, but when nobody will talk during the lesson, when there is pin drop silence in the class, the rebel creates a disturbance. What does the rebel do? When the class is all silent, the rebel will try to create a disturbance. You can relate with this term in your classroom. Does this generally happen? When the class is silent and the teacher is teaching with utmost passion, one of your friends will start making noises, strange noises, and those irritating noises just irritates your teacher, and she or he will just shout at that child to keep quiet or not to create any sort of disturbance. But that student does that because he is a rebel. He is different from other students. When everybody wears a uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. Now what does the rebel do? When everybody means all the students are in the uniform. You all come to the school in uniform. There will be one or two students who will not be there in the school uniform. Does that happen? Can you relate with it? The rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. The rebel will come in good clothes, the home clothes. Okay? When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. Now the poet is saying, when everybody will wear good clothes, the clothes of their home, the rebel, how will he dress? How will he or she dress? The rebel will dress soberly. The rebel will come in formal clothes or the uniform. Exactly the opposite of what other people are doing. In the company of dog lovers, when the rebel sits with dog lovers. Who are the dog lovers? Those people who love dogs. And the company is with, when the rebel sits with the dog lovers, those who love dogs, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. When the people around the rebel, when the people around the person who generally disobeys the instructions, when he's around those people who love dogs, he will say, no, dogs are not good, cats are good. Okay, he expresses a preference for cats. He will say that no, cats are good. What is preference? Preference is likeness. He will say that no, I like cats, but in the company of cat lovers. But when he is with the cat lovers, the rebel puts in a good word for dogs. What does the rebel do? When he is with those people who love cats, he will praise the dogs. When he is with the dog lovers, he will praise the cats. When everybody is praising the sun, when everybody around him is praising the sun, the rebel will remark on the need for rain. He'll say, no, I don't like sun. I like rainy season. I like clouds. I like rains. Okay. When everybody is greeting the rain, when everybody rejoices the rainy season, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. When everybody around the rebel starts liking the rainy season or starts enjoying in the rainy season, then what does the rebel do? The rebel regrets is he misses the absence of the sun. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel stays at home and reads a book. When everybody around the rebel is asked to attend a meeting, what will the rebel do? He will skip the meeting and he will rather read a book. When everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to a meeting. When everybody has to stay at home and read a book, then what does the rebel do? The rebel will go for a meeting. When everybody says, yes please, the rebel says, no thank you. Do you see this? All the opposite work is done by the rebel. When everybody will say yes, the rebel will say no. When everybody will say no, then the rebel will say yes. It is very important that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. The poet at the end says that it is very good that we have rebels around us. He says that it is very good that we have rebels around us. You may not find it very good to be the one. But he says it is not comfortable or it is not very good to become a rebel, as other people might not like you, as other people might not feel comfortable with you. You might face problem by becoming a rebel. That is why this writer says that it is not a very good decision to become a rebel, but rebels are very important. Rebels, it is very good that we have rebels in our surrounding. This poem is written by DJ Enright. You need to remember this name. This poem is written by DJ Enright. Thank you and have a nice day.